Alright, we got the black ship order that I was waiting for, that I referred to in my previous order. I used FedEx International Priority. Okay, that's a lot smaller than I thought it was. Is this the, what? This is the nozzle? No. I suppose it makes sense. Blower. So this goes on here so that you don't damage paint on a car. That goes on this blower. Like that. That looks pretty good. It's definitely not thin, cheap plastic. It's not officially a Makita product. This is made by a third party. But I'm pleasantly surprised with the quality of it. Am I not looking in the right places, or are these things a little bit hard to find? I don't know. Anyway, ended up getting one from Japan. I don't have a complete AWS system yet, so I can't demonstrate that. I'm getting there. And I just decided to start collecting some stickers because they're inexpensive. These were actually on sale for Black Friday. Is that reflective? No, they've actually got kind of a metallic. This one isn't as thick. Doesn't feel as high quality as this one. Here's the Star M. Okay, again, I thought because of the sizes on this that it would be a lot smaller than this. Oh, this one actually, okay, I misunderstood the description. This one actually comes with the bit. I thought that I was just buying this. That's okay. That's okay. And I do want to make a video about these. I have 3 sizes of these now. So that's the 12 by 24. These things make the most beautiful countersunk bolt heads in timbers like this. And these were another, okay, I got a Anex. Yeah, it's pretty good. I mean, it is a very fine tip. The laser etching on this is a little bit off. I don't see that this is actually marked made in Japan, either in Japanese or in English. Anyway, not sure about that one. This brand is a new brand to me. I like the look, but I can feel a ridge here on the cap. I can feel this line on the mold. I do kind of like the look of it, but the quality, it's not super high quality. This is number 1 cross point. This is number 2 cross point. This cap actually feels better on here. There isn't a ridge, and it doesn't feel like it's loose inside of here. I can still feel this line here. So this brand, what is this brand? So this is the brand, ESCO. Here's the brand, ESCO Company Limited. UNIFLAME, I really like the brand UNIFLAME. They make camping stuff. I'm super curious to see if these are made in Japan or if these are made in China. These are made in Japan. Interesting. Okay. So these are little foldable camping utensils. And I had not seen these at the usual places where you find camping stuff, online or in real life. So this is a little ladle. This is plastic. Made in Japan. Folds up like that. You know, it actually doesn't feel terribly awkward for having the foldable handle. Nice. Okay, I'm happy with UNIFLAME. Generally really liked their stuff. And again, this is made in Japan. It's more of a soup and noodle spoon, I guess you would call it. I don't know, right? But you know, they make a rice ladle kind of a thing. They make a bunch of these, and now that I know that these are actually made in Japan and that the quality of these is quite nice, I'm going to get some more of these different shapes and sizes that they have. I mean, they don't weigh anything, but if you're a backpacker, that's what you do. I am not a backpacker. I'm just curious. They seem strong enough. I mean, these are a little smaller than I thought they were going to be. This shipment right here from Black Ship cost $88. That's shipping charges, Black Ship processing fees, and tariffs. That's kind of a lot. This isn't really a lot of stuff. This, of course, was the main thing, and then this one was a little bit bulky. Dollar value on this order was not that high. Using Black Ship is expensive, but you can't get these items out of Japan unless you fly there yourself and bring them home in your suitcase. I'll put the Genius links or the Smart links and the Amazon Japan links in the description of the video. So the Genius links are going to try to find these items in Amazon Germany if you're in Europe. But if it can't, then it'll go to Amazon Japan. It'll try to find these in Amazon USA if you're in Amazon USA. If it can't, it'll show you the item in Amazon Japan. But I'll also give you the direct link to the item on Amazon Japan. Quick Black Ship, Amazon Japan tool haul. If you like that content, feed the algorithm for me. Stay tuned, you know how YouTube works. And thank you for watching.